Multiply 125 by 45 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 6. The first partial product is 625. Now use the tens digit, 4. Start one place to the left. 4 times 5 is 20. Put 0 in this column and carry 2. 4 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 4 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 5. The second partial product is 5,000. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the hundreds column, 6 plus 0 is 6. In the thousands column, bring down 5. The product of the whole numbers is 5,625. So 125 times 45 is 5,625.